Hi everyone, I am Wasim Sajad and I am here to present my Idea Market for Sustainability Research Innovation 2021. Currently, I am working as assistant professor at National University of Medical Sciences and focus to provide a sustainable bio-based solution by harnessing the power of microbes to the global problems we are facing today. Look, it's me. In my personal life, I am a father and blessed with a beautiful daughter. I'm living in a joint family system in a small town at the northern areas of KPK, Pakistan. In my free time, I love to cook. Beside this, I love to travel to explore the different environment ranging from the water toward the desert, engagement with the different scientific communities. I love hike and sports. Today, I'm here to present the biofashion with passion of biotechnology. Emission of the greenhouse gases from the textile industry is estimated around 1.2 billion ton annually. Ellen Foundation estimated that it is more than all those international flights and maritime shipping combined. If nothing changes by 2050, the fashion industry will use up a quarter of the world carbon budget. Moreover, the textile dyeing is the second largest polluter of the clean water globally after agriculture, and there is urgency for the sustainability and innovative ideas in the textile sector. The apparel market is predicted to touch US dollar 2.6 trillion in 2025 with growth projection at 4%. Moreover, the consumer perception is changing. 65% of the consumer try to make impact on the environment through everyday actions. Consumer awareness regarding the eco-friendly textile is on rise and creating new opportunities in sustainable textile manufacturing. The scientific community is more committed to guide the textile sector toward the zero discharge of hazardous chemical and waste. Here is the circular bioeconomy concept in which we can use the industrial effluent waste or the agrobiomass as a carbon source for the microbes. Using the cutting edge technologies and power of technology in the synthetic biology and engineering technology in combination with the fermentation, we can produce different bio-based chemicals from the biomass. Ranging from the household detergents toward the expensive chemicals, towards the bio-based colors and other products for the denim finishing, we can convert these biomass to the value-added chemicals and can guide the textile sector toward to more sustainability. It can also create a clean environment by reducing the greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide. It can also cut off the water and energy cost. And this way we can lead towards a sustainable environment. The use of enzymes in the textile industry is a win-win situation and cut off the production time, harsh chemicals, and waters. It can also improve the hand feel, washability, and appearance. Moreover, a study showed that if all cotton t-shirt produced in the world lasted 20% longer, it can save 24 million ton carbon dioxide and can save 27 billion cubic of water per year. Moreover, moving from the conventional chemicals or the petrochemicals and indigo dyes, the natural dyes can save approximately 92% of the water, 87% of the cotton waste, and 30% of the energy. So using the power of technology in the field of synthetic biology and metabolic engineering in combination with the fermentation technology, finding the right enzymes, finding the right gene, and adopting the right technology, we can guide the textile sector toward the much more faster, greener, unique, and efficient sector. In this way, less harm to the environment can be created and greater efficiency of the final product, lower the cost, and could also lower the energy consumption. And this way, we can also enhance the final yield of the final product. And this can lead us towards a better and cleaner textile industry. And by joint action, we can make this world a better place to live. Thank you so much.